we go. Full power. Oh my word. This thing is insanely fun. This is DRC's boat. So this is the fast boat, and I know people want to get to the action right away, but you take it off, the battery's inside here. We are going to be fully testing this, as you guys can see, on an open pond. So let's give this thing a shot and see how well it actually works. But yeah, a lot of you guys just want to see the actual footage. You don't care about the unboxing, so here we go. Wow, this thing is fast. This thing is a rocket ship. Guys, this thing is a rocket ship. Like, I'm serious. This is impressive. All right, we're gonna adjust the trim here. So you can adjust the throttle. So this is at a low speed. Keep in mind, this is low speed. That's low speed. Can it go in reverse? Yes, it can go in reverse. All right, so you guys ready for some full power here? Let's see if we can do this here. Full power, guys. Wait, something happened here. There we go. All right, just lost connection for a second, but it reconnected. All right, here we go. Full power. Oh my word. This thing is insanely fun. Look at this thing, guys. This is the most fun I've had with an RC boat ever. Like absolutely ever. And the distance this thing goes, the range, is insane. Look at this thing, guys. It is a rocket.